Go. We stuck the first one in. I'm helping Darren slide that piece under inside. There it goes. It's under and slides that piece in, and it's on there. Take that. Oh, that piece right there. Snap. That ready to go. It's a screw. Oh, they didn't come with a screw, did they? The old screw goes in. Oh. We know that it's not, the screw is not loose from spinning, it's not spinning. Huh? Oh, right here. There we go. Slide over. Second screw goes in there. Wow, that was cool. To get a little bit of play to it.
Basically, it's just like that. Just slide straight into those two holes right there.
Even it out.
Firmly do the front one first. So it goes in there and then...
So you do that first.
Yep.
And then do the second one when you put the screw back on. You got that, guys? Yeah, that's how you do it. See, look, we got that right side hooked up, baby. Here. Darren. Thank you, Darren. Yeah, see? And she's got the freaking nice, mean looking into her now. It's not like a freaking dashing bright freaking shit like that. It's smoke. Look like a bat. Oh, we don't know. And for some reason, I think it's supposedly like when you drop your bike or something, it's supposed to fold in. So for some reason, you just broke. Yeah. It was straight down sideways. That sucks. It happens. I don't feel bad now. Thanks, man. Suck it. 10 millimeter. 10. That's right. Okay. Oh, duh. Small. Yeah. Oh, there. Word. See that? 10 millimeter. Basically quicker. That's right. This is from Federal Way Connection Band. A motorcycle saver, man. I don't trust nobody else but Darren, you know that? Okay, recording. Slides in through there. So this is pretty much like a two-person first one first?
Yeah, just put one on there to secure it.
Remember, that one goes first, the one in the back. Just to secure. Just like what Master Dan says.
Take this. Find the clip.
Oh yeah, test too, huh? It works. Alright, turn it on. See if it works. Turn everything off. Hey, it's working. Look at that. And it's wow. Got it, Darren. That looks so hot, dude. That looks so badass. It works, Lee. Holla. Thank you. Turn it up. Wow. It wasn't that hard, really? But it makes it helps really, really good when somebody knows what they're doing, you know? Because if that was just by myself, I'd be like freaking out like a little bitch.
Yeah, you really got it. You really got it.
Now at least you know that that needs to be replaced. And the headlight. So it's pretty bad. I can't believe they did that just for the money. They saved a lot, didn't they?
Right.
You just hit it.
Take this.
And snap into there.
And out the way. These two.
Snaps into those.
This one. Snaps in there. There.
Just like a door panel. Snapped. And one screw goes down there. And he's done for that. And the windshield comes back on.
4mm. Oh. There. Line it up.
What's your man doing? Happy Easter to you too. Good to see ya. Oh well.
All screwed in.
Now it's all screwed in. Perfect timing. Try to say hi. And that slides through there. Lift a little bit. No. That's good. Oh wow, that was it. So now if I decide to replace this too, that's how easy it is. By taking those 6 freaking screws off. Wow. So now it's gonna look meaner if I replace this with a black, or right? And don't put no freaking decal. Double bubble. Yeah, they have those on the eBay too. So that's it. That's pretty much it, people. That's how you replace your turn signal / side mirrors. And that only took a what? 25 minutes?
Yep.
25 minutes. That gives you an idea how to do it. And it's nice to know what you're doing really. Yeah, man. I promise I would not drop my bike again. Dumbass. That's what Red would say. You know who Red is, right? Semi show. Yeah, what were you doing? Uh-huh. Dumbass.
This car, you need for the tools. Do this.
Okay.
This.
What size is that?
4mm.
4mm. And a
Phillips
Phillips
screw.
screw. That's it.
Tools.
No need for the Phillips screw. I mean, the screwdriver. No need for the screwdriver. Wow. Awesome. I'd say cheers to that. Cheers, brother. Wow. She is done. I forgot who that girl was. She didn't say her name. It's like, wait a second. Who is it? That's it. And done. Come on, Darren. Hey, that's Darren. Hey, yeah, baby. Thank you. Amen to that. And that's how you change your side mirror of your bike. 2006 GSXR 600. Thank you. Again, and what?
It's for a GSXR 600, 750, and 1000.
Yes. That's what the doctor says. So you better take that advice. Later.